Also, 197.7 is exactly my IQ, and it's also the exact number of subscribers I got to my channel. 1977 was a big number. It was a big year as well. A lot of things happened then. There was a 25-hour New York City blackout which resulted in looting and disorder. It's also the year Apple II and Atari came out. Elvis Presley dies, although some people believe he's still around somewhere. Indira Gandhi resigns. Spain has the first election since dictator Franco. And Star Wars premieres on TV. Apparently it was episode 4, which is the first one. Doesn't make any sense. Football legend Pelé plays his last match. Also, John Travolta shows off his sexy swag moves in Saturday Night Fever. The Soviets launched Soyuz 24 space mission with Viktor Gorbatko and Yuri Glatskov. And fashion looked a bit like this. There's a reason we call that throwback. Just throw it back. Throw it back really far. Throw it back. Don't make it come back. The Viewmaster was considered the most innovative toy of that year. Steve Biko dies under suspicious circumstances under apartheid in South Africa. There was a massive earthquake in Bucharest, Romania. Amnesty International wins the Nobel Peace Prize. And record label EMI sacks the Sex Pistols. Say that a couple of times. Sacks this. The first part of Amsterdam's metro is officially open. Donna Summer releases I Feel Love, written by Giorgio Moroder, and a whole bunch of amazing people were born that year. People like Orlando Bloom, Shakira, Floyd Mayweather Jr., John Cena, John Mayer, John Oliver, and me. Also, 197.7 is exactly my IQ. Also, the exact number of subscribers I got to my channel. This is an award I created for myself. YouTube did not give me that one. YouTube only gives awards at, I think, about 100,000 when you get your first one. But I'm a big believer that you have to celebrate small wins, small successes, small steps forward, because it's taken me 2.5 years, a lot of hours, a lot of creativity to get to where I am. And I'm really happy with you guys, with you people engaging with what I do, sharing the love, sharing some of the videos, reaching out to me personally on different channels. I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart. You make this all worthwhile. Now, let's talk a bit about this award. My plan was to create my own little, what do you call that? Like a little logo over there. I got some red clay. I pieced it together, which you can see over here. And then I pieced it together. I took a bit of cardboard and put that triangle in there. It's all a bit scrappy because when you're as small as I am at this point, it's all about scrappiness and scrappy-tivity, which lies at the core of innovation and creativity. If you don't have the means, if you don't have the channels, create your own, make up your own rules. A little funny side story is I wanted to create this one. I got some clay, which had to be in the oven, so I put it together. And then somehow I set it to microwave for about 20 minutes. I was sitting in the living room and all of a sudden all the smoke came around the house and it smelled like burnt. Let me show you. Disgusting. It literally looks like something from The Walking Dead. This is what it turned into. This is what you get when you put something like this in a microwave. It's still kind of disgusting.